Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful Zardozi work designing using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'd be applying the glue line like this to stick small size of kundans which is of pink in color, and on both the sides I'd be applying the glue lines like this to stick the chain ball lace. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. And in the centers I'd be stitching the small size of Zardozi string. Here I'd be using cotton silk thread 9 number hemming needle for the Zardozi stitch. To fill in the gaps in between these kundans we have to stitch like this. Once this is done, I'd be giving an invisible stitches on the chain ball lace also. Wherever we are applying, we have to give an invisible stitches on it once it is dried, because to stay for long run even after the frequent washes. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches. Here also I'd be using cotton silk thread. The stitches which I made here should be of invisible like this. I think this is clear to you now. And now I'd be using flower rings of gold color, small size, sticking with the gap of 1 inch. This is how we have to stick. This is to create half petals flower, and on these flower rings I'd be sticking rhinestones. Here I cut the Zardozi string of 1 inch in length, also using antique Zardozi in 1 centimeter length. This is to create the flower shape like this. I had already stitched, but I'd be showing here how to make it. Insert the gold Zardozi string like this in the shape of U. At this tip we have to give the stitch like this so that it will be in place. Now starting from this center I'd be inserting antique Zardozi like this. This is how we'll create the petal. Now next to this I'd be stitching the down one so that we can locate the center exactly. Next, this is how we'll create the flower. And once this is done, see here I had located the center between these two, and now I'd be making one more petal here. Following these simple instructions, you can try this on your old blouse to turn into new designer blouse, or else dupattas designing, or your plain suits to turn into designer suit. These flowers will really give an authentic look. Once the flower is done, this is how it looks. This will really gives a nice look even on the neckline which I have shown in the pic. Now for the booty marking, here I'd be showing like this. We have to give the diamond shape followed with 3 petals on both the sides. This is how the booty has to be marked. If you are not comfortable in freehand pattern marking, you can try this on the paper, then transform it on the fabric using the tracing or the carbon paper. And here for this stitching I'd be using anchor thread of pink color, and the filling will be made with the satin stitch. This is how we have to create the satin stitch in the diamond, also followed with the petals underneath. These are so simple designs which will really gives an unique look, and this will not take much time of yours if you know how to do it. Now the filling also will be continued in this satin stitch only. The outlining will be made with the chain ball lace. Also you can try this with the stone lace or any types of pearl lace, other color laces, which will really gives an elegant look. This is how the designer booty has to be filled. Then I cut the chain ball lace of this size accordingly. Now I'll be applying the glue to stick on both the sides. Once the glue is dried, this is how it looks, and in the center of this booty also I'll be stitching the Zardozi string of gold color in the shape of the petal only, inserting the antique Zardozi in the center. And now I'll be giving an invisible stitches on this chain ball is completely. Once it is completely dried, we should not forget that we have to give the stitches so that it will not come out and to stay for long run. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches. I'm done with this super fantastic design, and this is how it looks. This is so simple that you can create your old blouses to new designer blouses. Once completed, the complete blouse would look like this. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also